It is cold. How cold? Well, below freezing here in Seattle, and we're going diving.
So this is our Project Orca. This is the drone, and this is the tether. This is the controller for the operator.
Hello, operator.
What Orca does is that here, so first we put the drone connected to this lift bag and this trash collection bag in the water. And then it has a camera so it can look for trash. So a phone is supposed to go in this area here. So, and you can actually see stuff from the camera from the phone. So once you've found an area with some trash, you can go to that spot and the divers can go and collect it and put it in the trash collection bag. This can be inflated to send, the lift bag can be inflated to send an orca up to the surface, and then the diver will also go back to the surface and look at trash with the trash collection bag. That is the cycle of it.
The other day I got to help Scuba Jess and Eric and these kids who were in a world championship robotics competition. They were testing an underwater drone. The theory was that the drone would follow divers with a trash bag and lift bag while getting footage from the operator above the surface. I think the concept could work and be a huge assistance for cleanup projects like the Angle Lake cleanup in the city of SeaTac. The drone would need to be bigger, with more thrust power and rudders to steer in current. The drone would need storage compartments capable of stowing extra trash bags and lift bags. This has a lot of potential. On some underwater cleanups, I have filled a trash bag with aluminum cans in a matter of 20 seconds. I've tried taking 2 bags at a time, and that was difficult to carry, and it's difficult to handle 1 full trash bag underwater, let alone 2. If filling a bag every 20 seconds or even every few minutes, it isn't safe for divers to make repeated ascents. The problems this drone can assist with would be the diver's risk of DCS, which is decompression sickness, from repeated ascents, reduced diver time efficiency, high air consumption from ascending and descending too much, and diver fatigue from going through the thermocline, which is the temperatures from the surface to the bottom. I experienced these as documented in the YouTube video from the Angle Lake cleanup, which you can see linked here.